It's estimated that the average person contracts more than 150 colds during a lifetime. That's nothing to sneeze at. Anyone can get a cold, although preschoolers and grade school children catch them more frequently than adolescents and adults. Here's the deal. The epitome of health isn't whether you come down with a cold or a flu, it's how quickly you overcome it. You see, if you've never encountered a particular virus or a bacteria, you'll quickly succumb to it. A healthy person, however, will resolve the infection very quickly, where an unhealthy person may take weeks and it may complicate. Bet you didn't know the common cold was otherwise known as acute viral nasopharyngitis. Well, at least that's what the geek scientists call it. Simply put, it's a viral infection of the upper respiratory system, which may involve a ton of anatomy, including the nose, throat, sinuses, the eustachian tubes, which connect the ears to the throat, trachea, larynx, and the bronchial tubes. This type of viral infection ultimately ends up as a cough and cold. Colds are one of the leading causes of doctor visits and missed days from school and work. In fact, roughly 25 million school days are lost annually in North America as a result of the common cold. We spend about $2.9 billion on over-the-counter drugs in North America and another $400 million on prescription medicines annually, just for the symptomatic relief from colds. More recently, we've determined that over-the-counter cough and cold medication is not only ineffective, but it is possibly very harmful. Are we wasting our money? Let me tell you about natural health products where we're not. Echinacea. Echinacea is a traditional herbal medicine that's been long recognized for its immune-stimulating powers. It's the most common nutraceutical used in Canada to prevent and treat common cold symptoms. Consumers spend more than $12 million annually on formulas containing echinacea, and it's actually money well spent. The exception, as long as it's selectively bred Echinacea angustifolia, harvested and manufactured in a unique manner yielding no immune suppressive activity. What? Well, in simple terms, only a few Echinacea products on the market really work. Gotta read the label. Andrographis, that's an herbal remedy that's been used widely in India, and it's an Ayurvedic herbal remedy. Forms of this medicine is used for upper respiratory tract infections. A combination of Andrographis with Siberian ginseng, or Eleuthero as it's known as, is quite effective for URIs or upper respiratory tract infections. In clinical studies, this treatment was given for 5 days and was shown to improve fever, sore throat, and cough. Golden seal, it's one of my favorites, or Hydrastis it's called, is nature's antibiotic. Golden seal is a popular treatment for the common cold and upper respiratory tract infections that lead to coughs. It's likely that the golden seal component, berberine, has effects against bacteria and inflammation. Natural health products can provide very effective support for coughs as well as colds.